Kids, today we know about uppercase and lowercase letter, capital and small letter. Let's start. A, capital A, small a, capital A, small a. B, capital B, small b, capital B, small b. C, capital C, small c, capital C and small c. D, capital D, small d, capital D and small d. E, capital E and small e, capital E, small e. F, capital F, small f, capital F, small f. G, capital G, small g, capital G and small g. H, capital H, small h, capital H, small h. I, capital I, small I, capital I, small I. J, capital J, small j, capital J and small j. K, capital K, small k, capital K and small k. L, capital L, small l, capital L, small l. M, capital M, small m, capital M, small m. N, capital N, small n, capital N, small n. O, capital O, small o, capital O, small o. P, capital P, small p, capital P and small p. Q, capital Q, small q, capital Q and small q. R, capital R, small r, capital R, small r. S, capital S, small s, capital S, small s. T, capital T, small t, capital T and small t. U, capital U, small u, capital U and small u. V, capital V, small v, V, capital V, small v. W, capital W, small w, capital W, small w. X, capital X, small x, capital X, small x. Y, capital Y, small y, capital Y, small y. Z, capital Z, small z, capital Z, Small z. A B B C C D D E E F F G G H H I I J J K K L L M M N N O O P P Q Q R R S S T T U U V W W X X Y Y Z Z. Bye bye kids. Thanks for watching.